Well, welcome back. So today I'm at Quaker Falls. It's in a town called Quakertown, almost near the Ohio state line. So let's see what this park has to offer. Come with me. Well, there's the falls. Nice short walk from the car. Matter of fact, I can still see my car. So, yeah, Quaker Falls. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. I'm kidding. Follow me into the park.
Couple snakes down there on the rock
Yeah.
at the bottom.
Yeah, someone was showing me that.
Yeah, they're still there.
They're cool. Yeah, they're just cool. I don't think they're going to move.
They will as soon as I get them in sight. This is Quaker Falls. Not much in the way of trails, so very minimal on hiking, but the falls are beautiful. It doesn't look like it's very easy to get down to the base of the falls. I'll show you why. steps look to be possible. Oh man. Very nice platform that they've built though. So you just come down these series of steps. There's probably another vantage point. I'll go to that other observation deck. But I don't think I want to try coming down that. Actually, I'm not so worried about climbing down it. I'm more worried about climbing back up. Yeah. Must be where Target gets their balls. Proceed at your own risk. Yeah, that seems logical. Yeah, I think that's just a bit too much. That's too bad. That's a bit too much, I think. Yeah, this is an activity for younger people, I think. I mean, I could probably get down there without killing myself, but coming back up, not so sure. That's too bad. Oh yeah. Yeah, you get down to this point and you just fly over to there. Yeah, I wouldn't want to chance it. I don't want them to find me here. Well, so I'm at Quaker Falls. It's in Lawrence County, almost at the Ohio line. Well, I have to say, for me, chasing waterfalls, this is a very, very nice example of waterfalls. Problem is, you really can't get down to the base of the falls. So fortunately, I have a pretty powerful zoom camera, and I can bring us in reasonably close. This is not a hiking park, I will say. If you're somewhat of a daredevil, maybe younger, and want to try some of these trails that lead down to the waterfall, you might want to give this place a try. But otherwise, unless you're looking for waterfalls, I can't really recommend this park. But I can say, if you are looking for waterfalls, definitely need to put this one on your list. So I really appreciate it. Welcome back. Hope to see you next time. Thanks. Have a nice day.